Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining topic of capital budgeting techniques. So, first of all, today we will discuss accounting rate of return methods, that is ARR. As you know that the ARR is based on the accounting concept of the return on investment, and it can be calculated as the given formula, that is ARR equal to average annual profit after tax, that is 80 divided by average investment into 100. By this formula, we can find out a accounting rate of returns and average investment. What is the meaning of average investment? Average investment can be find out by this formula, that is half of initial cost plus installation expenses minus salvage values and plus salvage value. On the behalf of these two formula, first is the ARR and second is average investment. By this formula we can find out the value of ARR, and on the behalf of this value ARR we can take the decision proposal should be accept or reject. For this we can see decision rules. Decision rules is this method will accept all those projects whose ARR is higher than the minimum rate that is established by the management. What it means? It means that कि अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस मेथड, इस मेथड में हम ये देखते हैं कि जो कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू ऑफ ARR की है, अगर वो हायर देन दी मिनिमम रेट, अगर वो ज़्यादा है किससे, जो मैनेजमेंट ने डिसाइड किया है, तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए, उस प्रपोजल को हमको उस प्रोजेक्ट्स को एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए, अदरवाइज हमको उसको रिजेक्ट कर देना चाहिए. ये आपका सेकेंड मेथड है, दैट इज अकाउंटिंग रेट ऑफ रिटर्न मेथड्स. एंड नेक्स्ट इज डिस्काउंटिंग फ्लो और टाइम एडजस्टेड टेक्निक्स. इसका मीनिंग क्या है पहले हमको ये समझना है. डिस्काउंटेड कैश फ्लो और टाइम एडजस्टेड टेक्निक्स, this is totally based on the money value, time value of money. Here we consider the time value of money. See, as we know that money has the time value. What does it means? money का अपने एक टाइम वैल्यू होती है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, इसका मतलब है कि कैश फ्लो दैट ऑकर्स अर्लियर इन द टाइम आर वर्थ मोर देन कैश फ्लो दैट ऑकर लेटर ड्यू टू इंटरेस्ट और द इन्फ्लेशन. इट मीन्स दैट कि आज जो किसी भी मनी की जो वैल्यू है वो फ्यूचर में वो उसकी वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी, वो क्या होगी, वो डाउन होगी. वाई? बिकॉज दिस टू फैक्ट्स बाय इंटरेस्ट और इन्फ्लेशन. इस मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं, इसी टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी के आधार पे हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं. किसी भी मनी की अगर हम टाइम या उसकी प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना चाहें तो उसके लिए एक जनरल फॉर्मूला दैट इज गिवन हियर. प्रेजेंट वैल्यू दैट इज पीवी रेफर्स टू प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इक्वल टू FB upon 1 plus R to the power n. FB refers to the future value and 1 plus R to the power R is rate of interest. By using this formula we can find out the various techniques. See, in this discounted cash flow techniques, first of all we will discuss NPV method, that is net present value method. The net present value method, NPV, is the classical economic method of evaluating the investment proposal. ये क्लासिकल मेथड है जिसमें हम इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रपोजल को उसकी एनालिसिस करते हैं, इसको इवेलुएट करते हैं. इसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं एक फॉर्मूला है, उसको हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे. NPV इक्वल टू समेशन I to the power 0 to the I power to the n CFI upon 1 plus K to the power I, where CF means cash flow I equal to 0 to n means I की वैल्यू 0 भी हो सकती है, 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, and we can put here and we can find out the NPV value. इसको और कैसे हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, यू कैन सी हियर, दैट इज NPV equal to excess of PV of inflow minus PV of outflow. See here, excess of PV of inflow minus PV of outflow. This is the expression, this line is the expression of this equation. C of I, we are putting the I equal to 1, we can get C of 1 upon 1 plus K to the power 1 plus C of 2 upon 1 plus K to the power 2 and so on. This summation refers to the addition, summation, where K is rate of interest. What is K? K is the rate of interest, and I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And on the behalf of that, we can evaluate a proposal and we can find out at a conclusion that what should we do regarding a proposal. See, decision rule, accept the proposal if the NPV is positive. If you are calculating its value is positive, then definitely we can accept that proposal. Otherwise, we can reject the proposal in case of NPV is negative. And if NPV equal to 0, it may or may not be accepted. And its summary is here. You can see when NPV is greater than 0, proposal should be accepted. When NPV is less than 0, proposal should be rejected. When NPV equal to 0, your proposal may be accepted or rejected. On the behalf of that, by this method, by NPV method, we can evaluate a proposal and we can take the decision regarding acceptance or the rejection of the any project or any proposal. So in this video, we have focused on discounted cash flow techniques, net present value methods, and in the next video, we will discuss the next method or next techniques of capital budgeting. Thank you very much.